Good morning, dear students. We shall continue with chapter 2. In our last class, we have gone through some properties of multiplication. We have seen up to property 3, the associative property. Now we will be going through property number 4, multiplicative identity. That means if a whole number A is multiplied with 1, A is multiplied by 1 will give you 1 into A, which is equal to 1A. That means any whole number, if multiplied by 1, the result is the whole number itself. So, for example, if A is 5, 5 into 1 is equal to 1 into 5, which is equal to 5, the number itself. Property number 5, multiplicative property of 0. This is same as this, but in place of 1 we are putting 0. That means if we multiply a whole number by 0, the result is 0. You know already that multiplication with a number, multiplication of 0 with a number will give you 0. That is applicable in case of whole numbers also. The next property is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. If A, B and C are 3 whole numbers, then A into within bracket B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. A into within bracket B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. For example, if A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5, A into B plus C will give A is 2 into B plus C is 3 plus 5. The addition inside the bracket we have to do first. That means 2 into 3 plus 5 is 8, which is equal to 16. A into B plus A into C, we have to prove this side. The right hand side we have to check what value we get. A into B is, A is 2 into B is 3 plus again A 2 into C is 5 equal to 2 into 3 is 6 plus 2 into 5 is 10. 6 plus 10 is 16. So 16 and 16 equal. Therefore this is equal to this. That means A into within bracket B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This value. The next property is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So that is same as distributive property of multiplication over addition, but here we have subtraction. That means the difference of the two numbers. If A, B and C are whole numbers, then A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. So example, we have taken A to be 3, B is 7 and C is 4. A into B minus C, 3 into B is 7 minus 4. So the operation inside the bracket we have to do first. So equal to 3 into 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. Next, A into B minus A into C. This part we have to check what value we get. A is 3 into B is 7 minus A is again 3 into C is 4. So 3 into 7 is 21 minus 3 into 4 is 12, which is equal to 9. So this 9, this is also 9. This 9 for this 9 for this. Therefore, this part is equal to this part. So this is equal to this. Exercise 2.4. Today we will do question number 2. Find the value of each of the following. Number 1, 7,909 into 98 plus 7,909 into 2. Here these two are same numbers. So if I give this name A, this will also be A because both are same. 98 is B for us and 2 is C. So it is nothing but A into B, A into B plus A into C. So question number 2 is based on distributive property of multiplication. So here you can see this is nothing but distributive property of multiplication over addition. So it is equal to A into B plus C. Here A we have 7,909 into B is what? B is 98 plus what is C? C is 2. So we get from this we get this. So equal to, as it is inside bracket from Bodmer's rule, you know the operations inside bracket we have to do first. 7,909 into inside bracket 98 plus 2 is 100. You know how to multiply a number with 100? That is nothing but 7,909. This 20 will be added at the last of the number. So this is my answer for the question. I'm going to explain another example from question number 2. Number 4, 7,198 into 197 minus 97 into 7,198. I can write this as 7,198 into 197 minus, using the commutative property, I am changing the places, changing their places. It will not change the value of the multiplication. So again 7,198 into 97. You remember commutative property we did in our last class? That means A into B is equal to B into A. So if A into B, I have written here B into A, like that, equal to, if this is A, if this is A, this is B, this and this same, so this is also A, this is C. I can see here A into B minus A into C, which is equal to A into B minus C. This is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Therefore, A here, for this A, I can write this 7198 into B is 197 minus C is 97, equal to 7198 into 197 minus 97 is 100. So it is equal to 7198, and this 20 I will be adding at the last. Question number 3. Find the value of each of the following using properties. Number 1, 7909 into 991. So how to solve this type of question? 7909 into, I shall expand this number. You remember expanding the number. What is this number? 900 plus 90 plus 1. You have done in chapter 1. So within bracket, for this I shall write its expanded form. That means 900 plus 90 plus 1. Now you will be using the distributive property, equal to this into this, then this into this, again this into the number 1. So you will be writing like 7909 into 900 plus 7909 into 90 plus 7909 into 1, equal to, you do the rough work, 7909 into 900, then 7909 into 90 you do, then if you multiply by 1, the same answer, there is no need to do any rough work. Then add the values, whatever result you get, add this with this plus this, and 7909 into 1. You have to add all the 3 numbers and you will get the answer. This is classwork for you. You'll do this.